Like, looks like you just got out of the fucking war, bro.
Here, sit behind me. I said sit behind me.
What the fuck, bro?
What?
You look like you just got out the fucking war, bro.
Dude, you look fat as fuck, bro. What are you talking about?
Yeah, I'm fat as fuck. It's like I grew a little fucking weight, bro. At least you did, like you stayed skinny, bro.
I stay skinny?
Yes.
I'm skinny fat, bro. Hey, dab me up, bro. You want to get dab me up?
Like, ooh, what the?
He hasn't changed a bit, right?
Yo, what, bro?
He's the same guy from high school.
Dude, you actually got chunky, bro.
Yes, cause what I grew, I had it like. How long ago was that, bro? The fuck?
Dude, I'm just trying to feel it, bro. Come on. You stop running, dude?
Yes. Like, pretty much everyone stopped running after high school. The fuck, unless you had a fucking passion in
What kind
it.
of question is that? You stop running.
Like,
I mean, you stop working out, bro. Shit.
oh my gosh. I mean, where's your gains at, bro?
Bro, we go to the gym together. This guy hasn't gained shit.
Oh,
This guy takes
Do I
months.
have gains, dude?
where?
Dude, this is gains, bro.
Shit, you want my fucking fat, bro? Maybe you can turn that into muscle.
Bro, you fucking.
Did I not get chunkier, bro?
No,
No,
bro.
you didn't.
No?
He has a little dad bod. That's probably it.
You got a dad bod, though.
A little bit.
Asian dad bod?
I don't know, bro.
Oh my gosh, bro.
Beer, fucking.
Pure gas, bro.
I know. No, because some of these guys don't have a catalytic converter on their car, so that's why it smells.
But it's like, you don't like it's like a good smell, bro. I like gas burning, bro.
I think they smell like gas.
Yeah, off some like fucking, I don't know. It's weird, but it's like a weird good smell.
Hey, my brother.
How many fucking boys is this shit?
I don't know, bro.
I swear you just went up like 5 boys right here. I bet these guys are probably fucking like. You're gonna wind out your fucking window for their pussy. I fucking want that shit. Maybe we'll see your dumbass face. Why am I asking? Why are you here? We're in someone's video right now.
Yeah, clearly. Kyle, spit some game right now.
I have zero fucking game.
Spit some game right
I'll
now.
be like, hey shorty, what are you saying?
That's so good.
I know it is.
Shit.
Hey,
Hi.
I want YRP, York Regional Police. I'm
Yeah.
just letting everybody know if you don't do anything stupid, no tickets. Alright?
Okay.
Punch the car.
Undercover? Well, obviously not undercover, but she just told me who he was. Oh shit. What?
You got Gopro and shit.
What?
Yeah. I don't fucking know.
know what these are? You know what it is?
Oh yeah, the purple one, right?
Not that one.
I think all like the black cars from last time are here.
Yeah.
Because that's the only fucking reason they make it black. Which I feel like I'm reading in pure tailpipe, bro. Reading in pure.
These guys are acting up right now. That's what gets cops looking. That's what makes the cops shut this shit down. Bring your fucking that fucking female officer better fucking tell me to shut the fuck up. One thing you'll notice here, all these niggas have their windows down because they want all the shorties to see them, but nobody gives a shit.
Is that why you had your windows down?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
No, I don't care. I know people don't give a shit. I just fucking just had them down. I know this guy, he gets so nervous when the windows are down. He gets so nervous when the windows are down. In my red car, I had the roofs off. This guy got so embarrassed. I don't know why.
Hey, you like it when the fucking everyone stares at your
See this car right here? These cars are fast as shit.
You have the BMW, so I believe the Charger.
Yeah.
What do you say?
He liked it. He's like, where'd you get this, man? Like,
Did he fucking thank you?
yeah. I don't know what he's gonna use it for, but huh? He's into BMWs. These niggas are freaking acting up. He only did that because he was leaving, that's why.
Yeah.
This is fire. Huh?
Well, probably went to
Yeah. I dare you to say fucking nigga here.
I swear to God,
I dare you.
I'll pay you $50 to go in there and say nigga.
50 bucks? You don't need 50 bucks, that's the thing.
And you can't whisper it either.
He doesn't need 50 bucks, so he's not gonna see it. You know what this is, right? It's a fucking Corvette. See this blue car here? I want to get one of these so bad, but they're like 20 grand. Can't afford that shit right now.
What was it called?
It's a 370Z. No, I don't think so.
It is.
Those Beamer guys, those guys are outlaws.
Is it?
Those guys in the Beamers.
Oh, this one's nice, bro.
Why are they doing this? I don't know. Fuck. Based on what I told you, was it meet what you expected?
Yeah, it was fire.
Yeah.
Of course, I thought someone's fucking car exploded, but
So there's baddies. There's some baddies here,
yeah, white baddies.
and then the cops showed up.
This is going on YouTube, bro. I don't want to seem like a racist.
Yeah, I'm gonna post it on YouTube.
You tell them I'm not racist. But I feel like when you say you're not racist, like that just 100% confirms you're
It's
racist.
like, yeah.
Like fuck.
Yeah, at least the cops are not actually like fucking giving actual
Searching
tips.
people and shit.
They could be actual dickheads. They're not dickheads.
I feel like it's because of her. That fine ass nobody. That fine ass fucking cop, bro.
Yeah, that fucking the brown cop.
She's fine as fuck, bro. I don't know what the hell you're
Oh,
talking
the one that was talking to us?
Yeah.
She was cute. She just had a little bit she was a little chunky. Like, Are you gonna post that? Yeah. Okay. What's the page? Halton Meats? Okay.